Some feelings can't be measured, they're so strong. That's hodo. Hodo means to the extent that, or so much that. Use a plain form verb or the naive form, then add hodo. It uses one example to emphasize the degree of another. You can use positive or negative expressions. 夜眠れないほど緊張しています I'm so nervous I can't sleep at night 留学中友達がパーティーをしてくれた時涙が出るほど嬉しかった When my friends threw me a party I was so happy I almost cried so much that Hodo often uses potential verbs or common idioms for emphasis. You'll often hear 飛び上がるほど涙が出るほど死ぬほど These expressions show extreme feelings or degree あの社長はまだ中学生そうで信じられないほど若いです That company president looks so young it's almost unbelievable 試験だから死ぬほど勉強しなくちゃ The exam is coming I have to study like crazy Hodo means to the extent that, or so much that. Use the plain form or the naive form.